In the last video, I played all the major scales that have sharps. I started with C major and I worked my way around the circle of fifths one at a time, adding a sharp each time. Now we're going to start with 7 flats. 7 flats is the scale of C flat major. So we have C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, and C flat. All 7 letters of the scale are flat. If we went to the 5th note of the C flat major scale, we'd end up on G flat. G flat major has 6 flats. Let's listen to the G flat major scale. G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F, and G flat. We now have 6 flats. If we went to the 5th note of the G flat major scale, we'd end up on D flat. That's the next one in the circle of fifths. So let's hear the D flat major scale. D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, and D flat. That's 5 flats for the D flat major scale. If we went to the 5th note of the D flat major scale, we'd end up on A flat. D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat is the 5th note. Let's hear the A flat major scale. A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. 4 flats for the key of A flat major. If we went to the 5th note of the A flat major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'd end up on the E flat major scale. E flat has 3 flats. Let's listen. E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. E flat major has 3 flats. If we went to the 5th note of the E flat major scale, we'd get to B flat. B flat. Let's start and end on B flat. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. B flat major has 2 flats in it. If we went to the 5th note of the B flat major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'd end up on F. F major has only 1 flat. Let's listen. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. F major has only 1 flat. If we went to the 5th note of the F major scale, we'd end back up to C major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our C. Let's do the C major scale. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. All those major scales are built on the same formula. Whole tone, semitone, whole tone, whole tone, whole tone, semitone.